I think people thought I was a little bit crazy when I said that I was going to be quitting my job to start a dog daycare.
When you own a business, there's no working your 8 hours and going home.
There's so many aspects to having your own business. You are everything. You wear every hat imaginable.
In the beginning, we were just focused on, like, we have our computer here and this is all that we can do.
Microsoft 365 really allows me to focus on other areas of my business.
When you're a small business owner, every mistake I made was my mistake.
While we got down to our last few bucks several times, it wasn't our last buck.
The Office 365 platform gives people the tools they need. We're scrappy, we're small, we don't like to spend a lot of money on tech, which I know that every other small business feels the same way. And it just becomes more and more valuable, especially Microsoft Teams is what we're most excited about. Trying to go away from this email-based culture to more of a quick, intimate chat.
How we communicate, whether it's a SharePoint, email, or Teams for a sick dog, it could be the difference in life and death. We want to make sure that we are ready to act and that we're all in communication.
The chefs really like to use the SharePoint site that we've built out. They'll be able to place an order and they'll get what they expect on the next day's delivery.
We had 16, 17 years of working with folders and files and paperwork, and it took up so much space. Things would get lost. We went paperless in the last year. We're cloud-based. Now everyone can work collectively on the same project, even though we're in different places.
In today's world, you always have to really, really worry about the security of your data. What's great with Microsoft 365 is you're always getting the updates. Like one less thing I'd have to worry about.
Running a business is
Traumatic,
Challenging,
tough,
satisfying,
rewarding.
it's very worth it.
absolutely.
I'll have a client come to me and say, I'm so happy you have this studio. And when I hear that, it reminds me why I'm here.
I want it to be the best that there is.